Point. The mouse pointer will be changed into a cross feature. Press the left button of the mouse. A dot can be drawn. Curve. Draw a curve. Line. Draw a straight line. Press right button of the mouse to finish. Rectangle. Draw a rectangle. You can set round the corners in the Properties bar. Circle. Draw a circle. Here you can set the diameter and straightening angle of the circle. This icon can set the direction of the circle, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Ellipse. Draw a ellipse. Here you can set start angle and end angle. Polygon. Draw a polygon. Here you can input the number of edges. Set up a starting point to type characters by left-click mouse. Here you can enter characters. For more instructions, please refer to the text column. Bitmap file. Add a photo to workplace. Vector file. Add a vector file to workplace. The current supported vector file formats are PLT, DXF, AIDST, SVG, and C, but time. Input the time lapser. Waiting time. The marking will pause until the specific time has passed. Input I/O. The software will pause until the input signal enter. Output I/O. The system will export a signal when the operation is taking place at the current output port. X-axis. Enable extension axis 1 or 2. You can set whether to return to 0 or rotate a few pulses. Encoder distance is used to test the motion distance in FlyMark. Spiral. First draw a circle, then you draw a spiral line. Here you can set parameters. The icons on the toolbar are basically the same as the options in the Draw menu, but the top two icons, Pick and Edit node. Select all. Select all objects. Select others. Select all other objects except the current one. Delete object. Delete all objects selected. Undo. Lock. Lock the object selected. When locked, users cannot take any operation on the locked object. You can choose or move it. Unlock. Unlock the object locked. Unlock all objects selected. Put to origin. Put object selected to origin. Pick by pen. Use different pen to select objects. When clicking on the pen node, all objects that use this pen number can be selected. Mirror X left and right. Mirror Y up and down. Hide object. When hidden, you can see or select them. You can select them from object list on the left only. Click this icon can show object selected. Edit node. You can modify an object shape by editing the nodes. Click any point on curve. A black dot will appear. Click this icon. You can add this dot to curve. Now you can adjust curve by editing the dot. Delete node. Delete node selected. Separate node. The node selected will turn to separated nodes. Unite node. Combine to separate nodes.